Are you ready to create your own mobile app but don't know where to start? Let's dive into why React Native is the framework for you, especially as a new developer or no-code enthusiast. React Native allows you to build stunning mobile apps using JavaScript. It's perfect for those familiar with web development and looking to transition smoothly. The vibrant community provides abundant resources, tutorials, and support. With React Native, you'll enjoy cross-platform compatibility. Create apps that look and feel native on both iOS and Android, saving time and money. Plus, the mature ecosystem of tools accelerates your development process. Consider Draftbit, the no-code solution that empowers you to visually design your app while still retaining code flexibility. With over 150 pre-built components, there's no need to write code unless you want to. Start building your React Native app today with a free 14-day trial of Draftbit. The future of app development awaits.